हमारा वतन सबसे तेज सबसे आगे।
नमस्कार, आप सभी का स्वागत है हमारा वतन चैनल में। यूँ तो जहाँ में पैदा होते हैं सभी मरने के लिए, लेकिन कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो अपनी छाप इस दुनिया में छोड़ जाते हैं। ऐसी ही एक शख्स हैं डॉक्टर प्रिंस सोमानी जी, जो इंटरनेशनल मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर हैं, साथ ही इंडिपेंडेंट एकेडमिक स्कॉलर भी हैं। आइए मिलाते हैं उनसे कि किस प्रकार से उन्होंने अभी जो 31 अक्टूबर को टेडेक्स द्वारा जो सेमिनार किया गया, जो उनमें मुख्य रूप से उन्होंने स्पीकर की भूमिका निभाई, करेज और परसर्वेशन के रूप में उन्होंने स्पीच दी। आइए बात करते हैं उनसे। मैम बताएंगी कैसे और किस प्रकार से आपने इसको स्पीकर के रूप में कार्य किया।
सर्वप्रथम तो मैं हमारा वतन चैनल का आप सबका आभार व्यक्त करती हूँ कि आपने हमको ये चैनल पर बुलाए और हमारे विचारों को शेयर करने का एक मौका हमको देने में आया। TEDx is a platform where 3.5 million watches on the viewers are there, and I was been nominated by TEDx Mansagar Lake from Jaipur. The person who was in charge was Pavanji, Seemaji and Sumanji, who has nominated me to be one of the 15 speakers. Out of the 15 speakers, I was one of the speakers in the TEDx, and they were selected from the whole over India. TEDx is a platform where you can inspire the people, you can inspire your personal story, your journey, how you can help others in their journey. So there are lots of different walks of the lives who comes and share their story, and it was my privilege that I was one of the opportunity I was being given to share my journey.
आपकी जो जर्नी है उसके बारे में थोड़ा हमारे दर्शकों को बताएंगे।
हमारी जर्नी एक ट्रेन की जर्नी की तरह है। When I was born, my journey started when my train started, when I had departure, and my train was moving on. Every single day my train goes on. Every day I find new people in my life. Some people have stayed in my life, and some people come for a reason and they come off to the next station. But I have not come off my station until my last day of my life. My every day I experience like as if I'm having a sip of tea. Tea has got a different flavors. It infuses. So sometimes you get a bitter experience. Like sometimes the tea is so bitter. Sometimes the tea flavors in a sweetness, and sometimes the tea has no taste. But the life has to go on. So my personal journey is gone through plenty and many challenges which I have faced through with my life challenges it has threatened my illnesses, the illnesses which I have gone through. That has been a challenging for my life, and in the past I already have said how my life was gone through, so I don't want to repeat myself again, but I had a challenging situation with my health, and right now with the blessings, with the supreme blessings, and with everybody's best wishes, I'm here to help the society, and I'm also there to do my earnings, my lifestyle, where I have to help the society, but at the same time I have to help my family as well.
आपकी जो लाइफ की जर्नी है, जब लोग जानते हैं इसके बारे में और जब फॉलो करते हैं तो फिर आपको कैसा लगता है?
I feel very privileged. Let me tell you the example of today. Today I'm in a Jaipur, and I've just received a Besties Award, and I have connected to hundreds of people today. And just before the interview started, I was just reading a message which was sent by one of a person who was there in the Besties Award ceremony, and he said beautifully, "Thank you so much, madam, for coming here and giving a speech which has inspired me, and that has given me the energy and the right direction how I can help others. So he was trying to appreciate. So this is the live example. This has just happened 20 minutes ago when I was reading the message. So that gives me a lot of privilege that whatever I have said, people have taken that word onto the board, and that is that makes me feel that yes, people count me as a role model for them to understand what life means to them.
समाज सेवा का कार्य आप लगातार कर रही हैं और अभी कुछ ही दिनों पहले ही मिसेज इंडिया का खिताब भी आपने जीता है, क्या कहना चाहेंगे इसके बारे में?
Thank you very much for bringing this up. It's an amazing experience. I never have dreamt that I will be Mrs. India 2021. I never thought about it in my life. But my journey was taking me to a place where I can achieve this title, which has given me a lot of happiness, a lot of pride to say I am Mrs. India 2021. That gives me a lot of pleasure to share my happiness. I know you will be surprised that why did I go into the field of beauty pageant. This is not my cup of tea. I'll be very honest. I don't think this is something I would like to do, and I do enjoy. No, I'm an academician. I'm an academic scholar. I'm a writer, author. I do a lot of research in my work. So my work is more on the academic side. However, I've been doing a lot of humanitarian work and a philanthropic work which comes on my way, which I don't have an intention of doing, but it just happens that I get the opportunity given by the society, given by the community who tells me something and which I can manage, and I start doing my humanitarian work during my journey of my life. I remember a little story I would like to share with you today, that I was being asked by the media communication a few years ago that madam आप इतना कुछ करती हो समाज के लिए, आप काम भी करती हो, आप समाज सेवा भी करती हो, आप कुछ भी जो भी रास्ते में किसी को कोई ज़रूरत होती वो भी आप उनको मदद करती हो, तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि यू आर अ वेरी गुड रोल मॉडल फॉर द सोसाइटी और आप वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट के लिए भी काम कर रही हो. तो हाउ अबाउट इफ you can be a part of the beauty pageant where you can bring the female which they never thought to come and share their story to the world. Only the way we can bring them, only the way we can give them a platform, that if they come on the platform of beauty pageant where they can flourish themselves, because remember, when you are Miss, your life is different. When you become Mrs., your life is different. So when you become Mrs., you got a lot of worries with the family, with your in-laws, with the finance, with the education, with the children, a lot of things going around you. But they forget themselves. They don't understand who they are. So to bring as a female, as I'm a female myself, so to bring it out, you lose yourself. So by having taken a part in the beauty pageant, you can recall yourself that yes, once upon a time you were one of them. And this was a little example given by them, and they told me, okay, Dr. Somani, why don't you do something like that? And I did not agree at that stage. But then by perseverance, my children have encouraged me, yes, mommy, you can do something which you can help the society. And that has given me a hope and a motive to help the society. And that was the reason why I've accepted the nomination who nominated my name to be the contestant of Mrs. India. And yes, here I am, and I have won the competition and I become Mrs. India 2021.
मैम, आपका जो सफ़र था मिसेज इंडिया से स्टार्ट हुआ और वो थमा नहीं और वो आगे बढ़ा और मिसेज इंटरनेशनल यूनिवर्स का खिताब भी आपने जीता, तो इसको लेकर आप किस प्रकार से अप्रिशिएट करती हैं?
Yes, I'm very fortunate and I'm very blessed with all your blessings and all your good wishes have come true right now. That after winning Mrs. India, I was being nominated for Mrs. Universe International 2021, which was a very tough and challenging. Even in Mrs. India, we were like 45 candidates. Out of 45, only One was winner in the first category, in Miss category. Mr. category was one winner, and in Mrs. category there were two winners. One was on a classic category under 40 and another was on the 40 plus, which I came up in a 40 plus in a platinum Mrs. India. So that's one thing. But after reaching to that goal, the second one comes as Mrs. Universe International. In that one, we had a tough competition. There were like 70 candidates were there. Out of 50 were shortlisted, and out of 50 they have picked 10 models, and 10 contestants were selected, and from there only 2 were selected again. So again for the Miss, 1 person, Mr, 1 person, and again for Mrs. category they had 2, 1 for the classic category and 1 for the Miss on the platinum category, and I was one of on the category of the platinum for Mrs. Universe International 2021.
मैम, आज का जो युवा है वो अधिकतर जल्द ही अवसाद में आ जाता है। कोई प्रॉब्लम आती है उसके सामने तो वो घुटने टेक देता है, और अधिकतर लोग आजकल आत्महत्या का विचार जल्दी लाते हैं और आत्महत्या की घटनाएं भी बढ़ रही हैं। तो इसको लेकर आप क्या कहना चाहेंगी?
I think to do a suicide, to lose your hope is very sad. Society in this pandemic, lot of cases we have heard and a lot of things we have seen as well. But I think, remember, you believe in yourself. When you believe in yourself, when you have a hope for yourself, you can help others. I remember a beautiful quote by Mahatma Gandhi. Be the change you wish to see in this world. This quote is very close to my heart, and that makes a lot of difference. So if you want to see any change, if you want to see the world, and if you want to help someone, yes, you should not be thinking to go on a track of suicide or going on the wrong path. Do the best, help, support, and be the support system for others as well.
हमारे दर्शक हैं वो ये जानना चाहते हैं कि आप किस प्रकार से मतलब इतनी उम्र होने के बाद में भी एक्टिव रहती हैं, समाज सेवा है और इसके अलावा और भी अन्य आप कार्य करती रहती हैं लगातार, कभी देश में, कभी विदेश में, कभी यहाँ, कभी वहाँ, अनेकों प्रोग्रामों में आप शिरकत करती रहती हैं। इसका क्या राज है, जानना चाहेंगे?
मेरा राज यही है कि I live for the day. I don't think for the past and I don't want to think for the future. I live in the present. Every day is a hope to live. With my health condition, with the situation, challenges I'm facing, it's not easy. But I always say, Shukra, thank you God for giving me the life for today. So there is always a hope. I always say, I don't know what's going to happen in the next second. So let's work hard and be the part of the day and support the society.
मैम, अंत में हमारे दर्शकों को आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे, कोई मैसेज देना चाहेंगे?
In this pandemic, the world is upside down, but we can turn it back around. How can we do that? The question will arise in our mind. Yes, we can do it. I have got 3 messages to share with you. Number 1, believe in yourself. When you believe in yourself, the world will believe you. Number 2, be helpful, support each other, be kind, be humble, be generous. Don't forget your ethical values. And number 3, build the bridges among the societies, among the people around you, among your families, friends, and the global world. And when you build bridges, the world, you will see the experience how you can help each other. By working together, we can make a positive global change. Thank you very much to Hamara Vatan channel for inviting me here. It is my great pleasure to be part of your chat today on this channel. Thank you and namaste.
Thank you, ma'am.